I just woke up and I'm having breakfast right now. It's about 7:15 in the morning and they have free breakfast here. I'm here pretty early. There's really nobody here right now. I rented a scooter, so I'm gonna be taking off and doing some stuff. First, I'm going to the Trang An Grotto and taking the boat ride there. I think they open at like 7 in the morning, but I'll probably try and get there about 8:30 or so. I've got about 4 places that I plan on going today. Hopefully they all work out. I'll kind of play it by ear. So anyways, come get lost with me. So I just parked and walking over to the where the boat is. There is a fee for parking. I think it's like 5,000 dongs. And then we'll see how much it costs to get in. So there's 3 routes you can take. I think I'm gonna go with the 9 cave one. So you have to go to the ticket office to get your boat and decide which tour you want to go with. I think I'm going with the 9 cave tour, the longer one. Well, might as well, right? You're here. Careful.
I'm fine.
I got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If we fall together.
Yes.
Wow. So it just started sprinkling. Hopefully we don't get too wet. So, he just got on land and we got about 10 minutes here to walk around. I think this is a temple or something like that. Oh wow, that's crazy. Yeah, there's like crystals or something like that there. They're glowing. This place is actually pretty amazing. We're at a temple area again, and look at this. It's kind of crazy. Can't believe I'm here. I love this place. This is actually probably my favorite place so far in Vietnam. The tour is really nice. The tour guide's really nice. Probably gonna give her a tip later on. Yeah, these steps are pretty steep. So we're sweating like crazy right now. I just walked up to the temple. Actually, I didn't make it up there because it went up and down and it go down. So now we're headed to the next place. Another temple location. 3 women paddling the boat for me.
3 women.
Okay, so done with that. Oh, did a bit of paddling afterwards and actually feels good, but I'm pretty exhausted. First things first, I gotta head to Ninh Binh. I gotta get some gas and then go to the Hoa Lu ancient capital. That's next. So one quick thing though, for the person who's rolling your boat, do tip that person because it is really hard work. I mean, the tour itself was about 2.5, almost 3 hours, and it's a really big place. So yeah, tip them and tip them nicely. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so I just got here, and one thing to keep in mind is as you're coming into the park area, there's gonna be some people trying to get you to park there. Don't do it because the parking is actually free inside after you pass the gate, so the bridge and the gate. So just don't do that. It's a rip-off. They're scamming you, which is not cool at all. So anyways, yeah, so I'm here. I think there's like, this is an ancient capital, but there's supposed to be like 3 temples or something that's still up. So we'll go take a look at it. So I'm off to the second location, the second temple anyways. I don't know what the name is. Honestly, I don't care. I've seen so many temples already in today alone. It's kind of crazy. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with this place. There's really not much going on here except for those 3 temples. Whatever ruins there were, they kind of don't exist anymore, except for the 3 temples. So I kind of went to 2, and I'm not really feeling it. So right now, I'm just gonna head back to my bike, and I'm gonna head over to my next location, which is the Bai Dinh Pagoda. So I just got to Bai Dinh Pagoda, and I just found out I got a flat tire, so it's not gonna be fun. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to make it to my next location, but as far as I'm concerned right now, I'm gonna get a ticket to the electric car and get on the get to the pagoda. I got massively lost because I didn't know how to read, and so I've been driving around for the last like half an hour trying to find the parking lot. Parking lot was right in front of my face the whole time. I kept walking past it. So anyways, getting here. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. And I think I'm probably the only one here right now. These are the Buddhas that people rub on for good luck. So you're supposed to rub on the knees, their bellies, their hands. So from what I understand, this place is fairly new. So, and like right now, it's about 4:30. 4:10. So there's a lot of people that probably came for day tours and they've already left. So it's pretty quiet. There's like hardly anybody here. Well, there's nobody here. I'm the only one here. See? It's crazy, huh? Yeah. So I'm gonna try and see if I can head up to the pagoda. I think it costs extra money to climb up there, but today's pretty cloudy. I think I'm just gonna take a look at it, take some pictures, but I don't think there's much to see up there. I'm at the, not at the base yet, but this is massive complex. It's got the pagoda, it's got a convention center. That's kind of weird, but yeah, it's really gigantic here. It's like I'm the only person here. Oh no, I was just stopped. I can't go inside without buying a ticket, which means going all the way up there, which I'm not really interested. So yeah, like I said, take a couple of pictures outside. Not really interested. It's not that expensive, but still, I'm tired as heck right now, so I'm not gonna climb all the way up there. Okay, so now I am through the pagoda, the Bai Dinh Pagoda, and unfortunately now I gotta deal with that flat tire issue. Hopefully I'm still gonna be able to ride on it to get back to the homestay. If not, oh, I don't even want to think about it. So here's my tip for the Bai Dinh Pagoda. If you do come after 3 or 3:30, because all the tour buses are gone by then, and bring some walking shoe. It's a bit of a walk. Take the electric car up there and then walk your way down. But yeah, I think I'm ready to leave. So I do have a flat and it sucks a lot. I hope it holds up. Oh. 1 kilometer. Okay. Come on. So 1 kilometer, and then make a left-hand turn, I guess. I don't know, on the left-hand side. Ay, yikes, that's bad. Hello. So he's fixing my tire right now. Okay, so fixing this costs 30,000 dongs. So I actually was thinking I can get to the nature reserve, but that's probably not gonna happen. It closed at 6 o'clock, now it's like 5:20. So I'm actually gonna go get some food. There's a place I've heard that's actually pretty good. It's Pho Ball 24, but it's like 7 miles from here. Okay, so I just got here to Pho Ball 24, and I'm getting the pho dive, which is about 30,000 dongs. So it's roughly about less than $1.50, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's good. I actually might get something to go too, like their fried noodle. But there's like a line of locals waiting to buy their stir-fried noodles. But this is it. It's very simple. Got a nice beefy flavor. I hope you enjoy this, and if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for getting lost with me.